तो दोस्तों हम आ गए हैं इनसाइड विद सैनिटाइज्ड बॉक्स। सो यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे कि इस पर सारी डिटेल्स दी गई है। सो वर्जन हमने जो मंगवाया है वो 8 GB 28 GB मंगाया है, 8 GB 128 GB, एंड इट इज़ हैविंग इट रिटर्न एज हार्ड केस इंक्लूडेड, and it's a 5G phone and do not accept if seal is blown and seal is fine. So I guess we can carry forward. Let's go. Yeah, fingers crossed. Yeah, so we have the phone inside. Let's put it back so we don't have anything. After that, what do we have? We have cover, manuals, quick start guide, and the scratch guards we do have. Phone's color is as it was written Aurora Grey, so it is grey only, and it is good in feel, and it is the feature of this phone.
यार you know टीज करना था.
So so we have the connector here, and as you know, for the cost cutting and all, we don't have the adapter here, and here's the USB to type C cable. Yeah, and that's all guys. So here's the box. Let's come to the phone, and here's the phone. So we have to put uh, this scratch guard on it because it won't be good, and it's a bit heavy. Yes, it have curved edges, and yeah, it is fingerprints magnet. Overall the phone look wise is really good, and this is the feature of the phone, which is this. So yeah, on the inner screen we do have big bezels, as you can see. I hope it is visible over the phone. So I guess with fingers crossed we can proceed with switching it on. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so it is coming up. You could have seen this also. It's a 5G phone, and look wise it the phone seems good. Why it is showing erasing, I'm not sure. Though it doesn't seems to be a refurbished one, as people are saying over Twitter. But yeah guys, I would say keep the edges clean because it's a edgy phone, I would say. So you have to keep the cover on. Though it is tested very well with this swivel, but 100,000 times, which is like even if in a day you will try it, so it won't go at least 2-3 years. So yeah, it is having 53% of battery, so I have to do the setup and all. Phone seems to be fine, so I'll be back with my complete review after a long term review. Thank you guys, keep supporting.